Hey Diva, if you don't know me, hi, hello, my name is Adiola and I hope you like it here. Diva, Shein. I'm so excited. Like every time I get a SMS like your Shein package is out for delivery, I get so excited. Even when I'm sad, I get so rejuvenated and ready to take on the world. That's how I feel like literally right now. You know, I just feel like coming back on YouTube is a very humbling experience. I literally feel like I'm begging for the views. I just know 24 hours is gonna pass by and I'm gonna have 10 views, but that's fine. It's fine, right? It's fine. Imagine just posting a full video and like 50 people watch it without leaving a comment. I've been there, but I'm still being a soldier. The soldier has not fallen. The soldier is rising. Let's just get to the clothes, okay? These are all, zip. The hell was that? These are all the winter clothes that I have, and it's only just 5, I don't know, packages. Let's open them. Feels like a reward. Let's start with the biggest package of all. It's a Dazy women's letter zipper patchwork patterned coat. That is how it looks. Also, the quality is literally so amazing. I got this in a size large because it just felt right. Like, I don't like tight things on my body. Like I want to be able to move. I want to be able to layer on 3 t-shirts, 3 shirts, 8 polo necks inside this. Like I just want to be comfortable. Like it's a thick jacket. Like I feel like you can see the quality through the screen, but like yeah, it's perfect. Poéselle summer high-waisted pants multi-piece set. So it's 2 pants inside of here, okay? Looking at me, you would think I'm a medium, but a medium doesn't, I don't like how a medium sits. Like I like baggy things, if that makes sense. Like I want to feel relaxed and I want to breathe, you know? So these are the black ones that I got. I love how the buttons look and it's just lovely, lovely, lovely pants. Also got them in like a beige nude, I don't know colors. I feel like this is a brown, it is a brown, whatever. This is how it looks. Stunning. I feel like my vocabulary is TikTok saturated. Every time I'm like, clock it, that's tea. Read a book or something. Like I need new vocabulary. Woo. Anyway, oh, this color is a khaki color. Lovely. And then I got a Poézelle's women's slim front button cardigan. This cardigan, when I tell you, I have been seeing it on TikTok a lot of times. It is just so stunning. I also like how it cinches the waist. So that is how it looks. It is just so comfy and so thick. I got this in a large. That is the close-up of the color. It is good material. Like I don't want to lie. I don't know if you can see, but it is. Like I'm just so excited to wear all of this. I'm slowly changing the way that I dress. I want to dress more elegantly. I want to dress more chic, more, I don't want to say old money because my style is not old money. Like I wear anything that I want to wear. I don't have a style or a specific category that I fall under. I wear what I want. And if it looks good to me, then I'm going to wear it. Moving right along. Also got this cherry pattern drop shoulder duster cardigan. Guess what size? Large. This is just so cute. I love the cherries. I love whatever's going on here. This is really stunning. Can you see? Lovely, lovely, lovely cardigan. I just know this Shein card does not give baddie. It gives normal girl just trying to get through life. It does not give baddie, but it is what it is. It's winter and I want to keep warm, okay? I don't want flu. I have an INAWLY 2-piece woman casual plain cropped hoodie and sweatpants set. This just looked amazing on the model and I was just like, if I do get a medium, again, straight jacket, we don't want that vibe. I want things to be released. Like this is the hoodie. Stunning, stunning, stunning stuff. And these are the pants as well. They are literally so long, so comfy. Also like how it cinches the waist. Like where is the waist? I can't see it. Help me find it. Where's Dora the Explorer to help me find my waist? Because it's non-existent. It's not there. I also love like two-piece vibe sets things, because I feel like you can wear the bottoms with something else and you can wear the top with something else. So you get two in one. I love me a good two-piece, like wow. I think I'm gonna sit down. Am I in my gargle? Like, what's going on, girl? I just literally stood for 5 seconds and now I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I need to sit. Okay? I don't know what's up with me. Casual, solid. Whew, this is a long sentence. I think I need to start going to the gym. Because what do you mean after I just stood 5 seconds and now I'm hyperventilating? I can't even read a full sentence without catching a breath. So I got this autumn and winter's MainGRL casual outfit. This is like a lounge type wear vibe. Two-piece set again, because you know how I do. And this is a large. They look really tiny right now, but you know me. I'm literally like a speck of dust. I'm literally like a dot. I'm non-existent. Okay, let me stop. It's not funny. This is how the pants look. Love the quality. I don't know if you can see it, but the quality is insane. I feel sorry for whoever doesn't like coffee. I'm sorry you cannot experience greatness. This, I just kind of... Okay, let me show you my nails. I'm sorry. My nails are so nice. Like, what do you mean? That is the close-up of the buttons. This is like a cardigan, but it's really cropped. And I feel like it matches very well with these pants. That is the most devastating part, when you have to rummage through and see if you didn't leave anything. Anyway, so if you enjoyed the video and you liked what you see, or you liked what you saw, or you like what you... If you saw the video and you like the vibe, make sure that you do subscribe and leave a comment down below. I love you, divas, so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.